actually a very good question. I see a lot of people with term life insurance who may not understand it. So please make sure you watch this video in full, especially if you have a term life insurance policy. So when you think of term, I want you to think of terminate or temporary. And so what they told you wasn't necessarily dishonest, but it wasn't the full truth. My therapist always taught me that omitting is lying, right? So yes, your policy can renew until 90. Key word here is renew. They said your policy doesn't end till 90. It doesn't, but that doesn't mean that the price won't change in between that time period. So if you're 36 years young, let's say you had the policy for a couple years, typically that price is going to be locked in anywhere from maybe 5, 10, 20, 30, at max 35 years. Then whenever that policy expires, that cost of life insurance is going to go according to your age at that time when your policy expires. And so the exciting part is that you can renew your coverage, but it's going to be at that new age, aka meaning that it will cost more. So yes, you can keep renewing your policy until you're age 90 years old, but think about this. Let's say you try to renew your policy, 75, 80 years old, and you can't afford it. You literally just outlived that policy. By the way, term only pays out 2%. I say all that to say, if you're going to get a term life insurance policy, make sure that it's convertible. So in the future, you can upgrade to a permanent life insurance policy so you don't run the risk of outliving your term policy and you actually have options. Comment your thoughts below. And as always, make sure you hit that follow, baby. Let's go. Shush.